everybody, it's your girl Jazz. Today I will be reviewing the Potato Express to figure out on whether it's going to work or not. Because ultimately, if it doesn't work, I'm pretty sure you don't want to buy it, right? So, let's go ahead and check this out, see what the instructions are. It's washable and reusable. Delicious, steamy, perfect results. Cooks all types of potatoes, white, red, yams, and more. Let's see. Oh, you can do corn on the cob, which I don't have in stock right now. Day-old bread. No, don't have that either. We got tortillas. Oh, yeah, we got some of those. And more. So, we're just going to stick with that. Alright, so it claims to work in 4 minutes baking a potato. We're going to see on whether it works or not. Let's see. What else do we need to know about it? Hold on, wait. Okay, I'm extremely confused with the instructions right now. Here it states Potato Express. On the instructions, it says Potato Perfect. Not sure. And it says pack of 2. How funny. I only got one. And I got this from Walmart, so it's not something that I got on Amazon or anything like that, because I've had a couple of mix-ups with those. So I'm extremely confused right now. Potato Express, can you explain this, please? So, hopefully this video will stay up, because obviously I've got 2 conflicting informations, and I don't know what to go by. Whether it's the Potato Perfect or the Potato Express. We're just going to call it the Potato Maker. How about that? Kind of sum it up. Make it up my own. Alright, any instructions that we need to know? Congratulations on your purchase of Potato Perfect or Potato Express, depending on which one you're looking at. Potato Perfect / Express is the fastest, easiest way to cook perfect baked potatoes in your microwave in just 4 minutes. You'll get delicious, steamy, perfect results every time with all potatoes. I need to place 1 to 4 washed potatoes. So I've got sweet potatoes here. I got 2 of those. And I've got 2 regular potatoes. Can somebody please explain to me what's the difference between sweet potato and yams? Because I've seen both of these in both sections. So I'm not sure which. So I'm going to say sweet potato / yams. Just because I don't know the difference. And I've tried Googling and it still makes no sense to me. Alright, so then we're going to place the Potato Perfect / Express in the microwave, flap side down. So this is a flap. We're going to have to place it down with all the other instructions listed on here. And let's see what else. Flap side down, cook for 4 minutes. Always follow microwave notes shown on the opposite page. Carefully remove the Potato Perfect / Express from the microwave, then carefully remove potatoes. Enjoy! Alright, where are the instructions on the opposite page? Somebody needs to work with Potato Express / Potato Perfect and get their instructions correct, because there's no instructions on it. Because, I mean, it says that you can make other things such as the tortillas and all the vegetables, but it doesn't give any cooking instructions. So at this point in time, we're just going to do trial and error and see how that works. It does say for corn on the cob and for veggies as well as day-old bread, but it doesn't give any instructions for tortillas. So, oh, before I do that, I do need to wash this or clean it out. I just need to hand wash it, and we're going to turn it in the potato bag, that's what I'm calling it, the potato bag. Because that's the only thing that's definite on both of them is the potato. We're going to take the potato bag, turn it inside out, wash, and let it dry. And we'll see how it turns out. And then we're going to go ahead and throw these in the microwave for 4 minutes, and then I'll be back. And I went ahead and I warmed everything up. I was actually only able to fit 3 potatoes in here. Well, actually, before I get into that, I'm going to start out with what I've got in there currently. I've got some tortillas, and I did it only for 20 seconds. Okay. Maybe I put a little, maybe 15 seconds, but I do feel they're nice and soft. A little bit, teeny tiny bit a little bit rougher on the edge, kind of like if you've had it, you know, overcooked it a little bit. So I think maybe about 15 seconds will work better for this. It's not too overdone, like where you're gonna feel like you're crunching on a chip or anything like that. But if you're kind of a picky eater, you may want to do it for 15 seconds. I only had 2 tortillas in there as well. So they do work for that. I mean, $5 to have some good tortillas, that's worth it, even if the potatoes don't. But we'll find that out. So now that I've explained that, let's go ahead and get to this. I was able to fit, these are still hot. I did 1, 2, these are hot. A little warm. I think these actually need to go in again. I can already feel that they're pretty hard still. So we're gonna go ahead and cut these open. I can actually tell the potatoes aren't really cooked right, so they probably need to go in for another minute or 2. But again, I do know that the time is gonna vary between how many potatoes you have, the microwave, and all sorts of variables like that. The bag was pretty filled up with just these 3, although it does instructions state that you can fit up to 4. Obviously, they're thinking these little itty bitty potatoes, because I don't see how you're going to be able to fit 4 of these in there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this one open. So that way we can see thoroughly how well it cooked. Ah, it's hot. Okay, that's not a baked potato. That's all I have to say about that. Open! Alright. So, I'm going to show a close-up over here that you can see that it did cook pretty well. The middle still needs to be done a little bit more. So like I said, I'm guessing the longer you have it in there a little bit more, maybe another minute or 2, or if you were to do this giant one by itself. I can tell that there is already a difference as far as the sweet potato. It does seem, because, let me phrase this. The potato itself, the baked potato, or white potato, however you want to, I'm used to saying baked potato. The regular potato seems to, it was still pretty firm when I was grabbing it, but the sweet potato seems like it's a lot softer, so maybe because it's smaller, it cooked through differently, so we're gonna go ahead and try that one out. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, definitely a big difference. Hot! Don't make fun of me. Yeah. A little bit still need to be cooked, so I'm guessing another minute, 2 minutes tops would definitely have cooked this one all the way through, but it's definitely a big difference between the regular potato and the sweet potato. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and cut this one open too. At least I know what I'm gonna be having for lunch the next couple of days. Some good baked potatoes. Do I have any toppings? All right, so I may need to make a pit stop on the store on the way home or on the way to work. So yeah, again, it doesn't cook even. Like I said, I'll show a bigger picture up here that you can see it. So the middle's still uncooked, but the sides around it are pretty good. Like I said, this sweet potato, a little bit longer, but not too much. Now, like I said, I did do a potato by itself, smaller one, so for 4 minutes. So we're gonna see how that one turned out. And this one is a sweet, oh yeah. The sweet potato is 100% done. Yeah, it opened like butter. I would definitely recommend this. $5, you really can't go wrong. Even if you don't do potatoes too often, or you're not a potato type person, if you do Mexican food with your tortillas and everything like that, it'll definitely be worth it. These are still pretty soft. Don't really hold the heat, but they're tortillas, so usually they don't last on a plate that long, so it doesn't matter. At least not for me. I can't speak for anybody else. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. I will be adding this to my regular cooking because I do eat sweet potatoes pretty often rather than having to spend an hour to an hour and a half cooking a baked potato in the oven. I'm gonna throw it in the microwave. As I read in the instructions before too, do not forget that you're not supposed to be poking any holes or peeling a potato, so you're gonna have to do that afterwards, which I don't think that's gonna take long at all to do. Just peel it off. So if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer. I do want to give a few shout outs to a couple of great, great followers, great fans, should I say. Thomas Branson, I know that at least you claim to watch all my videos. I'm just kidding. I see all your comments and I do respond, so I do want to say a great thank you. He does have a YouTube channel as well, so make sure that you go check that one out. The link is going to be below in the description. Also, Maria Perez, I apologize. I don't know if you have a YouTube channel because I haven't checked it out. I know, shame on me, but I do appreciate all your support. She made a comment before to, support my channel with affiliate links, so I do appreciate that. I just want to give you a quick shout out. So thank you guys both. I would be more than happy to support your channels as well if you obviously support mine. In the meantime, stay tuned, stay jazzy, and thank you guys.